Hey guys, got a buddy of mine's truck all redone. I'm not quite sure. I haven't asked him what year it is yet. I just thought I'd stop by and take a quick peek at it and show you guys. '80s Autocar, all-wheel drive. Thing is bad. Look at that. All painted up. Look, nice fresh paint job. It's gorgeous. Holmes wrecker on the back of it. Look at these tires. Super singles. Holmes 750 up there at the top. I think that was a popular wrecker model. Wheel chocks. Oh, nice. This is owned by Buckler's Towing. And I just keep passing by and forgetting to stop and pull out the camera to take a quick video of it. Thing is just massive. Fenders all nice, not a spot of rust anywhere. The whole thing's been gone through, it looks like. Really nice. All painted frame underneath and everything. I don't know if you can see up under there. Everything's all done up nice. Power steering and lubifiner painted to match. I like that. It's like the Alcoa, they might be painted. This thing is just gorgeous. Have to see if they're gonna take this and put it in any of the shows, any of the upcoming shows. I don't know what it has for a motor in it or tranny or anything. I'll have to ask the guy, my buddy that owns Bucklers, so give him a shout out and see if we can do a walk around sometime with him. He can tell us a little something about it. Looks like it might have had tire chains on those tires, the way that the things are. Big drop down stands and stabilizers for it. Big pintle toe stuff. Got eye to chain things down. I think this is all mechanical, obviously. All the cables and everything. And it's a really nice job, whoever did it. It's been wanting to, can't wait for mine to get all painted up. I'll have to see if he's gonna get it lettered and pinstriped like all his other rigs that they have. You know, their trucks are just really nice looking. Buckler's Towing is the front of the truck. Thing is just massive. LED, little small LED light bar on the front of it. This is what mine's missing. I wish I had one of the original radiator guards, and also the bumper, the round bumper. I'm gonna have to see if I can have somebody fabricate it. I am excited because I have the visor for mine. I haven't got it on. It'll be put on when it's painted, but it's Buckler's Autocar, and I'll get some information on it at some point, year and make, tranny, all that stuff, and all the pertinent. So maybe we can do a walk around with Nate at some point. But There she is, boys. Sorry about the noise in the background. We got a Dodge going. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and sorry for the lack of videos. I'm recovering from shoulder surgery and doing a lot better, so I can hold the camera and everything now, and look forward to doing some more videos. So please leave some comments if you like the trucks that we're showing, and please subscribe. Later.